Ervi recipes. Today I'm going to make cream puff. And to make this cream puff, it requires steps, 3 steps actually. And so the first step, we need to do the filling, and then the second, we're gonna do the puff itself, and then the last step, to fill it and eat. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the first step we're gonna need to do is preheat your oven for 350 degree, and then what we need to make the filling, it's milk, egg yolk, butter, sugar, salt, and cornstarch. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to pour the milk, and then the cornstarch, salt, and sugar all together, and then we'll just mix it in a low medium until it's all mixed and become thick. Okay, after it reaches, after mixing a few minutes, and then it reaches bubbly like this, we are going to put the egg yolk and the butter. Okay, at this point we just want to mix it until all incorporated. Alright, when it's bubbly like this again, it's done. And we just set it aside until it's cool. And we're gonna make the second part. Okay, next step, we are going to make the puff itself. And what we need, water, vanilla extract, eggs, butter, salt, and regular flour. And first of all, we need to pour the water. Okay, and then the butter and the salt, and let it melt it. And then after it melts, we are going to put the flour. Alright, until everything is melts like this. It's been like couple minutes, and just all the flour and mix it everything together until all mixed. Just wait until it gets thick. You know, it's fun making cream puff on a weekend, you know, when you're doing nothing, and at the end you can eat it. Okay, okay, so the dough, it's already in the mixer, and what we need to do next is to mix the egg and the dough become sticky. Okay, I'm going to start this and pour the egg just on a medium speed. That's fine. And you want to put it the egg one by one, so it will mix together well. Okay, and don't forget the vanilla. You know, just put like you know, I just used the cap for a measure. And then like this, and maybe like 3-4 minutes. Okay, it's done. Isn't that easy, guys? And now I am going to okay, let me move it here so you guys can see it clear. You know, nothing fancy. I just use spoon and just like this. You know, guys, don't worry about the texture. When it hits the oven, it will puff. So, isn't that fun? Okay. So, okay. I am making my kitchen mess. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay. And I'm going to put it in the oven. You know, don't see it now. See it when it's ready. Okay, it's been 25 minutes and this is what it looks like. And what we need to do, just fill up the filling. It's the best part. And you know, right now I don't have a decorating bag on hand, so just use a Ziploc. And just use this cup as a guide. Okay, get a spoon here. And see, it's got thicker. This is what the filling that we made. And just put it like this. Okay. See, this is fun, right? You can take your kids and do it together. Okay, cut this. And then, let's see if I can try to make it a hole here. And just fill it. Okay, this doesn't look like pretty. Okay, guys, wait a second. I'll make it pretty. Okay. Okay. This fork is just not helping. Okay, let me try to use this. Okay. I'm gonna make a hole and then fill it like this. Ta-da! I made a cream puff. And another one. Okay. Okay. I think 4 is enough, right? Okay. So, okay. I'm gonna move it here. Move it here. Ta-da! Hey, this is it. It's the cream puff. You know, to get this recipe and my other recipe, go to my website at ervirecipes.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.